Really quickly, before we get into the tutorial, I just wanted to mention that I am having a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on right now, and this is the first video that I'm mentioning it in. So if you want to find out how to win all of this makeup right here, then stay tuned till the end of the video where I will go more in depth on the giveaway and how to enter. For primer, I'm using the Nivea Men's Post Shea Balm as my primer, and then moving on to foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120. I'm just dotting that all over my face, and then I'm going to blend it out using my beauty blender. I'm trying to speed past my base very fast because my base is very repetitive. It's almost always the same product, so I just want to speed right through it so we can get on to the eye look and the rest of the face and then the giveaway. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just putting that in all the major areas that I want to highlight and conceal, and then of course I'm going to blend it out using my beauty blender. To set my face, I'm going to use the Kodia Airspun Translucent Powder and a fluffy powder brush. For this eye look, I'm going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm taking the shade Pukey on a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm just going to lightly work this shade into my crease as my transition shade, and I'm using windshield wiper motions, and I just keep building it up until I get the intensity that I would like. The next shade I'm going in with is Roxanne on a Morphe M518 brush. I am just working the shade into my crease, but I'm keeping it below the transition shade. I'm not taking it up as high, and then I'm just making sure that the two shades blend well together. I'm going back in with the Morphe R37 brush to make sure that everything is nice and blended, and then I'm taking the Morphe M504 brush because I find this brush to blend out eyeshadow very flawlessly and airbrush like, so I just am making sure everything's nice and blended so we don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm taking translucent powder on a Morphe E47 brush to clean up the edge of my eyeshadow so everything's nice and precise. Now I'm going in with the shade Mocha on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm starting to work this shade on the outer V of my eye and then working it up slightly into my crease, but just very slightly. I don't want to take this shade up too high. I'm just making sure it fits right there in the socket, and then I'm going back in with the Morphe M518 brush to make sure that the shade Mocha is blending well with the shade Roxanne. Now I'm going to take my concealer on a Morphe M213 brush, and I'm going to start to do a half cut crease. So basically I look straight ahead and then I apply the concealer right in the center where my eye is at, and then I look up to see where the concealer on my lid meets in my crease, and then from there I just start to carve out my crease, and I do this very slowly. I know it looks fast, but this is sped up, so really just take your time with this step because you want everything to be very nice and neat and precise. Now I'm just giving the concealer a bit of an ombre effect to blend with the outer corner of my eye, and I'm just taking that shade Roxanne and I'm just making sure that it looks nice and blended and we have no harsh lines. Now I'm going into the Morphe X James Charles palette and I'm taking the shade So Good on the same Morphe M213 brush, and it's just a very light gold, and I'm going to start to pack that on where we put the concealer. The concealer acts as a great base for the shimmer shades, and it really helps the shades stay in place and also be very bright and intense. Now I'm taking the shade Roxanne again and I'm just blending that into the gold so everything just looks nice and blended and seamless. And then I'm going to also deepen up the outer V again with a little bit of the shade Mocha because we lost a little bit of that color. Now I'm taking the shade So Good again on the Morphe M213 brush and I'm just extending the inner corner of my eyeshadow, kind of where we would do our inner corner highlight. So I'm just bringing it forward. Now I'm taking the shade Pukey from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm buffing out my lower lash line, and the brush I'm using is from the Urban Decay Naked palette. I just love the little fluffy side to blend out my lower lash line. Now I'm taking a little bit of the NYX glitter primer on my Morphe M213 brush and I'm just applying that to the inner corner of my eye and the inner corner of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the Bulk Glitters glitter in the shade Gold and I'm just applying that right over the area that we put the glitter glue. Now my eyes are done. I applied some lashes and mascara and I'll have that linked down below. And now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer on my little Benefit Hula brush. You already know, if you're new here, I use this brush all the time for bronzer. And I'm just going to start to bronze / contour my cheekbones and my jawline. I'm using my Morphe M437 brush to make sure that that bronzer is nice and blended and that we have no harsh lines. I'm using my Luxie 522 brush to apply a little bit of bronzer to my forehead. And I just wanted to mention that I've already contoured my nose. I did it after I set my face while my eyeshadow was on because it's very repetitive, so just why even add it in the video. And also I've been into contouring my nose before I start my eyeshadow lately, so I just went ahead and did it off camera. And right now I'm going to bake the contour on my face using my Beauty Blender and translucent powder. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive on a Morphe M510 brush, and I really love this highlighter. It's so glowy, and I think the very light gold of this highlight really complements the eyes and this makeup look, and I think this highlight is perfect right now for any holiday parties or anything if you're trying to look super glowy, because this highlight is stunning. Then I'm going to also add that highlighter to my nose using a Morphe E36 brush. And for blush, I'm using the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore on my Sonia Kashuk number 113 brush. And I've come to love this blush. It's become one of my top favorite blushes. It's very natural, but I love the hint of pink that it has, but it's still very nude and wearable. And now I'm going to wipe away my bake using my Morphe M437 brush, and I'm also making sure that all the powders on my face are nice and blended together and nothing's harsh. For lip liner, I'm going in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Bar, and for a red lip, I don't have any red lip liners, so I like to go in with a really dark brown or something. I find that the red covers up the lip liner anyways, and it still adds a nice ombre effect to the lip. So I'm just adding this lip liner, and I also want to say I love the Morphe lip liners. They're so stunning and so creamy and easy to work with and long lasting but affordable. Then I'm going in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lady Balls. This is my favorite red lipstick for like that true red for any Christmas looks or anything. It's really, really beautiful. For this makeup look, I did decide to go over the red lip with a gloss. But if you like the matte lip, then go ahead and keep the lip matte. This is what it would look like without the gloss. It's still very stunning and perfect for any holiday parties or Christmas or whatever you want. Now I'm going to go in and use a Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray to set my face. And for the red lip gloss, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Neon Apple, and I absolutely loved this lip combo. It was beautiful. This is the final makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love the soft gold eyes, the sparkly inner corners, and the glossy red lip. This makeup look is perfect for any holiday parties, any activities, Christmas, any festive holiday things you have going on this season. It's perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a ton of holiday makeup looks coming on my channel this month, so you don't want to miss out on that. Please subscribe to my channel. It means so much to me, and make sure you enter into my giveaway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I am having a holiday makeup and beauty giveaway going on my channel. It begins today, Friday, December 7th, and it ends January 1st at 11:59 p.m. So if you want a chance to win, please make sure you enter before then so you don't miss out. All you have to do to enter is go down to my description box, and the first thing that will be there will be the link to the website to enter. All you have to do is click that link and it will take you to the website. All you need to do is put your name and your email, and it will verify that you're subscribed to me, and that is it. That's all you have to do. It's very simple to enter. I will be contacting the winners via email on January 2nd, and you will have 24 hours to respond to me, or else I will have to pick a new winner. The rules are very simple. You must be subscribed to my channel. This is mandatory. Give this video a like and leave a comment on the video telling me what kind of makeup looks or tutorials you want to see on my channel, and or other videos you want to see on my channel, because I want to know what you guys want to see as my subscribers. And then you have 2 chances for a bonus entry. You get a bonus entry if you follow me on Instagram, and a bonus entry if you follow me on Twitter, but those are optional. You do not have to do those to enter the giveaway. Really quickly, I want to talk about what the giveaway includes. It includes the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes eyeshadow palette, the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows in the shade C Siren, a Kat Von D Metal Crush eyeshadow, an Este Lauder Pure Color eyeshadow, a Victoria's Secret Hand and Body cream, and a Victoria's Secret Hand and Body cleansing gel, a facial cleansing power brush, an anti-aging 24 karat gold hydrating gel facial mask, an Tracy gold sheet face mask, a collagen infused lip mask, and under eye gels. There's one winner, and the winner will win everything right here, everything that I just said. Please enter. This is my Christmas present to you guys as my subscribers. It means so much to me. Thank you for subscribing to me. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. If I missed anything, all the rules and everything that I said will be down below in the description box. So if I missed anything, or if you think you missed anything, just check out my description box. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. Good luck to everyone who enters.